14,700,000,000 miles from Earth, a machine built in 1977 is picking up a sound that shouldn't be there. In November 2020, Voyager 1's plasma wave instrument recorded a faint, steady tone drifting through the empty dark beyond our solar system. Not a crackle, not a burst of static, but something closer to a single sustained note, like a finger dragged slow around the rim of a glass. No one built anything out there to make that sound. It was just there, waiting. Voyager 1 crossed the true edge of the solar system on August 25, 2012, a boundary called the heliopause, where the last breath of the sun's solar wind finally gives out, and the thin gas between the stars takes over. Scientists expected loud, occasional bursts there, the kind triggered by solar flares slamming into that boundary like thunder. What they didn't expect was a quiet hum running underneath it, all the time, even when nothing dramatic was happening at all. A team at Cornell led by Stella Koch-Ocker published the finding in 2021, and they described it as eerily continuous, a persistent vibration in the near vacuum of interstellar space itself, like the gas out there never really goes silent. If you like discoveries that make the void feel less empty, subscribe, because we post one of these every single day. Here's the part that made scientists sit up. The hum isn't flat, its pitch shifts slightly depending on how dense the interstellar gas is at that exact point in space. That means for the first time, researchers have a direct, continuous way to measure the thickness of the material between the stars, not just during rare solar outbursts, but constantly, note by note, mile by mile as Voyager drifts further out. And Voyager is running on fumes to hear it. Its transmitter broadcasts at just 22 watts, weaker than a refrigerator light bulb, and the signal takes over 22 hours to crawl back to Earth. NASA has already shut off Voyager's cameras and several other instruments to save power, one system at a time, but the plasma wave detector, the one still catching that hum, is being kept alive as long as possible. Hit the like button if a machine that old still doing real science blows your mind a little. By the early 2030s, Voyager 1's power will finally run out completely, and whichever instrument survives longest will go dark for good. The hum won't stop. The gas between the stars will keep vibrating whether we're listening or not, but our only set of ears out there will be gone. Comment below if you think we should send something else to go listen again.